Hello students, welcome to today's lecture of programming in Java. I am going to discuss with Fibonacci series in today's lecture. This one is the program. Let's copy the title. Open BlueJ platform. New class. Write the title. Program in Java to print Fibonacci series. This one is program number 14. First of all, what we have to do, definition of Fibonacci series. Now, what is the meaning of Fibonacci series? First of all, you should know about that. Two numbers are required in the Fibonacci series from user side. Let the first number is 2 and second number is equal to 5. Suppose these are the two numbers. And third one is the count. This one is required. Suppose I write count as 6. Now, what should be there on the computer screen, or what is the meaning of Fibonacci series? First number will remain as it is, second number, then 7, then 12, then 19, and then 31. Now what is the meaning of this? First number is 2, entered from user side, second number is 5, means first two numbers are required to enter from user side. And what about third one? Third one is the count. How many numbers you would like to display on the screen? First number is 2, then 5, third number, and from third number onward, each number is the sum of its previous two numbers. From third number onwards, each number is the sum of its previous two numbers. This one is basically the definition. Now, based on this definition, we have to design the program. First of all, import java.util.scanner, then public class Fibo, program number 14, then public static void main string arguments. This one is the main function. Then scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. This one is the basic requirement. Now what we have to do, we have to enter three variables from user side. Then what we should do, int a comma b comma n. These three variables are required, integer variables a, b and n. Then system dot out dot print line first number of Fibonacci series. First number, you have to enter the first number, then a is equal to sc dot next int then you can enter the second number, enter second number, you can write here enter first number, then enter second number of Fibonacci series like this. Here you can write B, and third requirement is you have to write here count how many number of items you would like to display. Here you have to write n. It means the three contents are required, A, B and n. These three values are required, A, B and n. Now what about the series? To display the series, we have to write for I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. Loop is required, and after the development of loop, C is equal to A plus B. Now what is the meaning of C is equal to A plus B? It means we have to add two values. It means third variable is also required, that is C. One more variable, that is I, is also required. C is equal to A plus B, then A is equal to B and B is equal to C. This one is required. Now why this concept is there? C is equal to A plus B, A is equal to B and B is equal to C. Why this content is required? First time the value of A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 5, then C is equal to A plus B. Now what about A is equal to B and B is equal to C? Basically I am shifting this triplet into this triplet. First time the triplet is 2, 5, 7. Second time the triplet should be 5, 7 and 12. That's why I am doing this jumping content A is equal to B and B is equal to C. Means value of B is stored in the variable A and value of C is stored in the variable B. It means now B and C become equal to A and B, and this value is again the next value of C. Now what we have to do now in this for loop, we have to print system.out.print line, or you have to write print basically, because I have to print the data in single line. Then plus C. Okay. Now execute the program. Here you can write system.out.print line Fibonacci series is like this. Compile. Now execute the program. Enter the first number. Suppose I enter first number as 2 and second as 3 and count is equal to 7. You can display the data. 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55 and 89. Count is okay, but the first and second number is not there. First and second number is not there. There 2 and 3 is not there. It will start from 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55 and 89. Everything is okay, but we have to print first and second number also. For that, what we can do? We can write here system.out.print, and here you can copy this one and paste here with the same gap, and here you have to write A, and again paste, here you have to write B, like this, because you have to print the value of A and B. After that C. Now again compile the program and execute. Enter first number 2, 3 and 5. Okay. Now the first value is equal to 2, second is equal to 3, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 and 34. Now what about the count? Now count is equal to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After entering 5, count is equal to 7 because already two values are included. Okay, now we have to reduce this value. We can write here n minus 2 because we have to reduce this value. If I enter n is equal to 7, it means I have to print only up to 5. Now compile the program and execute this program. Suppose I am writing first value as 1, then 4 and 7. Look at the output 1, 4, 5, 9, 14, 23 and 37. Now the count is equal to 7 because first and second value is included. That's why the value are like this. I repeat again regarding Fibonacci series. User can enter first value, then second value, then count, and accordingly we can display the data. First and second value is included. It means loop has to execute n minus 2 times. From third number onwards, each number is the sum of its previous two numbers. Then the entry of these numbers, first and second number should be displayed before for loop. Then inside for loop, we have to execute from 1 to n minus 2. And in first attempt, c is equal to a plus b. Then shifting of the variables is required, then printing of c. In the next video, I will discuss about program in Java to check whether the entered number is Armstrong number or not. Thanks for watching my video.